Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Yung camera ko.
to you. Everybody! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
One more time! Happy birthday to you!
Pinakain po ang kandila. Yes. By the way, shout out to Miss Love Andaya. Ay!
Love Kapulong!
Love Kapulong! Sorry, iba pa si Andaya. Miss Love Kapulong! Thank you so much! Okay, isa pa. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you very much!
Yay! Ano ang iyong birthday wish, of course, Jen?
Ayun nga, birthday wish, good health, not just for me, but for everybody I love. And more opportunities na makatugtong sa stage, not just here here sa Pilipinas, but all over the world. And yun lang talaga yung gusto ko. I just wanna sing.
And we love watching you sing. We love hearing your music. So, for all of us, for all of your fans, what is your message?
Get picture. Here. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Alright. Interview.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you. Maging level talaga ng isang songbird at nightingale. They may
Thank you. And then we have other kasama sila sa yung dalawa yung sigilan. Sino ba kasama sa amin?
Hindi na nila sa amin. PBB.
Matagal na ako din.
Oo. Sila yung may series eh. Ano gusto ko sa isa?
Thank you. Nalilat na ko.
Ano lang siya lagay guys? I should be there.
Wala.
Ah, so, next na. Happy birthday again. Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Ate Tess. Thank you. Thank you, Ulan. Kaya magpayo. Payo ka sa office. Inuwa mo na electric pan. Yes.
Ingat siya.
So, are you? Pero ako
Hello, hello.
dito. Ay, sa taas. Yes. Yes. Ay, nagagawa ni Archie. Come here, guys. Boss.
Sabihin si Jess na konti tayo.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi nga. Diba?
Hindi mo siya nasabihan.
Hindi. Dapat mag-white ako.
Hi, channel.
Bye. Go, Arjan. Bye. Sino ka sandali? Bye.
Hoy, sapaw ako.
Saan ba kayo?
Pwede ba akong ano? Excuse me guys, pang camera mo ba ito? Yes na lang ako, pwede ba ako gumawa? Ganda!
Pwede ba akong kumalan? Ano na ako, kakala? Sorry, pwede ba akong palit dito po?
A-picture daw dito sa akin. Sige po. Isa pa. Last one. Alright, thank you. To your right.
Aray, nag-carpet pa lang guys. To your right.
Ay, asan ba to?
Ito naman po. Thank you.
Right po.
Thanks.
Ito po, can I have one po? Ready? One more po. 1, 2, 3. Dito naman sa iPad. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Nag-ano lang ng comments. Ibig sabihin. Huwag kayo matatakin ako.
Hindi nakinig si Ate Ay.
Hi, video.
Ay, hindi sabihin. Ay,
Martinez mo naman.
ano din ang call mo? Ano yan? Ano?
May 6 months.
Ikaw na adjust. True. Tama yan. Tama. Ayun sa ikaw.
May camera.
And we are back. Thank you so much for waiting for us. Hello to everyone watching us right now. Welcome back to the Star Magic Spotlight Press Con! Iba naman yung energy natin today kasi sporty vibe tayo ngayon, guys. So to everyone watching, please do keep all your comments coming. Keep your messages coming as well. We'll try to read that later on. Mag-comment lang po ngayon. Ang daming nagko-comment na parang, tapos na ba? Tapos na ba? No! Ito na guys, start na tayo. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ai de la Cruz. Thank you so much for joining us every month sa Star Magic Spotlight Press Con. This is a monthly show we're doing para updated kayo sa mga lives, sa mga happenings sa ating favorite Star Magic artists. Pag meron silang recent achievements or kung merong upcoming shows or upcoming projects. This is where we Coffee Project for having us. Thank you, the Coffee Project, for our beautiful venue. And dahil nga, press ko nito, kasama pa rin natin ang ating media friends! Thank you for staying, guys! Maraming salamat po. Okay, so ito na. I will introduce our kasama ay apat sa ating players this upcoming Star Magic All-Star Games. Ang ilan sa kanila ay ilang beses na natin napanood sa court sa Big Dome. Pero yung ilan naman sa kanila ay first time nating mapapanood playing this July 20. And joining us today are, ito na, makakasama na natin siya, Dylan Iturralde from the Smashers Men's Volleyball Team.
Hello.
Mamaya natin makakasama, mapakita. Okay, we also have Rain Barani and Jazz Dudley, scales of the Lady Setters Women's Volleyball Team, and representing Shooting Stars Basketball Team, Argel Saicon. So mamaya ipapakita na namin sila sa inyo. Pero sa ngayon, actually, meron kaming surprise na ihanda para sa inyo. Games are back this year with returning favorites and fresh new faces in the lineup. Fans can expect another round of thrilling, action-packed matches. This July 20 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum, get ready for back-to-back volleyball and basketball showdowns you wouldn't want to miss. One of the players to watch out for is Dylan Iturralde, who's sure to be a key player in this year's games. Known as the astig volleyball ng Pampanga for Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11, Dylan brings solid experience to the court, having played as a setter for the University of the East's team. He has also been busy in the acting department, making his debut in Love at First Sight. On screen and on the court, without a doubt, he is a promising talent. 3 Binibining Pilipinas. Now she was given her first lead acting debut in the series Love at First Sight, starring opposite Emilio Diaz. Playing alongside her in the Lady Setters is Jazz Dudley Scales, who played for the same PBB Gen 11 match as Ray and Dylan. This will be your first time to play in the All-Star. Dylan, Argel, Jazz, and Ray! Okay, bati muna kayo isa-isa. Let's start with Dylan.
Hello mga kapamilya na nanonood po dyan. See you sa All-Star Games.
Oh, serious? So scary. Argel?
Magandang hapon sa inyo. Manood kayo ng All-Star Games sa July 29.
Thank you, Argel. Jazz?
What's up, Gorgeous? Good afternoon and copy-paste din. Manood kayo dapat. See you there.
Rain?
Hi everybody who watches Spotlight Star Magic. Hello po mga kapamilya. We're so excited to bring to you this year's All-Star Games. I'm sure it's gonna be much better than last year. I'll see you!
Sobrang exciting po from Team Lady Setters. Sila po yung kalaban namin sa Team Lady Spikers. So, plastikan lang po yung makikita nyo ngayon. Talagang magkaaway po kami. Kasi July 20, sobrang exciting. Every time naman may Star Magic All-Star Games, talagang yung competitive spirit ng mga Star Magic artists lumalabas. Actually, magugulat kayo na, bait ito usually pero parang, di ba napapatawa si Argel? Parang pinaalala ka, Argel
Kasi kahit sa basketball, ganun din, magkakilala naman lahat. Pero nagpipisikalan pa.
Oo, di ba? Siyempre, lugi sila sa pisikalan sa'yo.
Medyo lang.
Na mag-join sa Star Magic All-Star Games this year. First time din na, Dylan and Jazz. Okay, Dylan, ikaw, anong feeling mo na makakasama ka sa Star Magic All-Star Games ngayon? At volleyball pa, first time magkaka-mixed volleyball. Para sa'yo ata talaga siya eh.
Sana nga. Hindi, medyo na kinakabahan na masaya. I'm blessed kasi syempre first time magkaroon ng men's volleyball sa Star Magic Games. Ang win-wish ko lang ng mga past years makapanood eh. Pero ngayon, maglalaro na ako. So, I'm blessed.
Professional player na. So, doon po sa mga hindi nakamiss dun sa video, no? Dylan used to play for UE sa UAAP. So, player talaga siya sa UE Red Warriors, tama ba?
Yes,
Oo, okay. So, ngayong kalaro mo ay mga Star Magic artists, may difference ba sa experience? Kasi nagtatrain na tayo di ba? So, nakakalaro mo na yung mga fellow Star Magic artists mo.
Siyempre medyo yung iba hindi ganun ka-athletic unlike yung mga... Pero ayun, mas masaya in terms of banters, yung mga kulitan. Dahil siyempre mga artista to mga to kumbaga humor nila same level. So doon ako natutuwa. And of course, siyempre masayang ituro yung mga natutunan ko from playing the sport for the past years. So ayun, share ko yung mga natutunan ko. Nakakataba ng puso.
Dylan, dahil ikaw lang yung representative ng men's
Mostly, lalo na sila Kuya Pat, yung PBB, si JL ng BGYO. Pero si Akira talaga nag-start siya from zero. As in, hindi siya marunong. Pero ngayon, grabe, naabangan niya si Akira, guys. Ang galing ni Akira dito.
May progress, bale. Minsan, yung hindi natin naakala. So far, ano share mo sa training natin? Jazz, first time mo?
Yes, parang kung kinakabahan si Dylan, paano na kaya ako? Dahil hindi ako marunong, parang first time ko tuloy nag-volleyball sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, pasapa-sapa ako. Kaya paglabas, parang nung sinabihan ako na kasama ako, parang, talaga, hindi kayo nagkamali. Sabi nga din naman ni Cap na parang, train mo na lang. Like, no one really starts na magaling, but at least be present. So yun, I'm learning slowly. They're all like very helpful naman. They're all very sweet. Parang ako lang yung hindi marunong dun
Grabe naman.
Oy. Hindi totoo kasi naglalaro talaga lahat mostly. So parang
Angel Canino of the DLSU Lady Spikers. Pati yung tatay ni Angel Canino nandun po. Dun po sa mga hindi masyado familiar sa volleyball world, no? Isa siya sa mga best players in the country right now, Angel. So, would you like to share your experiences? Also, Lamps was there from NU.
yeah, grabe.
She's the girls team captain of the girls Brixton Hawks volleyball team. She's hardworking. I think we're really alike, relatable po siya. Tapat na alay sa pinsan niya, si Jared. He's also part of the LGBTQIA+ community. So, for me, I feel like she's like the instrument of bridging everybody together. So she's full of love and ayun, malalaman niyo yung love na yan when you watch it. It's every Friday, 8 p.m. po, Love at First Sight.
Saan nila mapapanood?
Only on I Want. Please make sure to subscribe dahil hindi niyo siya mapapanood if you don't subscribe. But at the same time, I hope you guys can support online. Since it's I Want na po, you guys can subscribe even in different countries. It's not just the Philippines. So make sure na you guys can watch it. And every Friday, 8 p.m. I think we can... Ko kasi nahihirapan po sila bagayan ako with somebody before. They're really tall. I have like a masculine dating. So parang ang hirap. Pero with Emilio, it was more natural. Like I should say. We're doing really well naman. We had our vlog screening this June 18th. And we saw the reaction. Super ganda po talaga sa feeling na, oh, it works! Good job, it works! Kasi we really put an extra effort to make it authentic as possible.
Tsaka tama no, sinunod nyo to bago pa pumasok sa PBB, si Emilio.
And River as well.
Oo.
Opo. River is also part of the series. He's still in PBB ngayon.
Oo nga. Shout out to
Shout out to
River Joseph. Oo. Na, kasama rin sa Star Magic All-Star Games.
Ano ba si Emilio? Shoutout po Emilio, maglalaro ka din.
Yes.
Si Emilio ay basketball.
Basketball.
Okay. So, how's it?
You know, I really appreciate Emilio po. I feel like not a lot of people see it, of course, syempre kasi we always watch the product of our hard work. Pero hardworking po talaga siya. He really initiates first. And that's what I appreciate. Kasi before, when it comes to like potential love teams, parang I find myself, putting effort. Pero for him, he's really doing a lot of the work, honestly. Pero I appreciate it super. He's really a nice guy. Madali lang siya katrabaho, promise. Super light po siya on the set. And ayun po, super golden retriever energy lang po talaga siya.
Totoo yun, no? By the way, sabi ko nga, magbabasa tayo ng comments. So,
Okay naman.
Wow, wait lang.
Lumabas yung ugat si
Wait lang.
Jazz. Lumalabas yung ugat ni Jazz dito.
Oo, syempre.
Sabi no, sa gilid.
Wait lang po, parang hindi
Parang
naman
hirap
kami
to ah.
nandito.
Parang hindi kami kasama dito.
Nag-shower pa.
Sorry.
anong nag-shower? Teka lang!
Yung laway daw.
Yung laway kasi. Sorry pa.
Nag-shower ang laway. oh.
No, yeah, parang it's been comfortable din naman working with it. Kasi din Bisaya, tapos we're friends pa before. So yeah, I'm open naman to working. Wala namang problema. Hindi ka problema ka ba?
Wala naman.
Kinikilig po kami dito sa
Kaya nga eh. So, pareho kayong PBB, pero not from the same batch, di ba?
Oo.
So, paano kayo nagkakilala?
Sa probinsya. Ay, sa
Crush na niya ako dati sa province.
Oh my God!
So, like, magkabayan kayo, ganun?
Yeah.
Magkaiba lang ng city.
Anong tao? Sige, batiin niyo naman yung taga...
Mayong hapon sa mga taga Negros Oriental, mayong hapon sa Lola Lihan.
Nasa Bais.
Sa mga taga Baez, hello, mayong hapon.
Hello, may hapon sa Negros, may hapon sa taga Dumaguete City, and mga taga Dali, and there.
So, dati po pala, hindi lang because of PBB. Okay.
Magbabarkada niya yung, naging friend sila ng younger brother ko. Parang nasama yung kapatid ko sa group of friends niya. Yeah, so yun.
Okay.
Ano, crush niya ako, sinabi niya sa kapatid ko.
Tapos, paano nabuo yung R-Jazz? Kasi pwede naman magkakilala kayo, pero walang kaalam-alam yung fans. So, paano nabuo yung R-Jazz?
Yung Christmas ball,
Your magical ball.
Oo.
Okay.
may mga nag-upload kasi may picture kami nun eh. So, yun.
Sa waiting room kasi, before kami isa lang, nauna ako, pumasok sa same kami ng damit. Santa Claus, oo. Yun yung inspo ng damit. Parang message ko yung inspo ko, siya, Santa. Really kami nag-usap about it. Or like, uy, see you there, ganun,
Parang
ganun.
it's meant to happen.
Wow.
It's meant to be.
Pero di ba?
Yun, so parang, and then kami nagsama sa loob. Like, nag-usap kami, and-introduce ko siya ni Kai, ni Rain, ni Colette was there. And then yun, tapos sa loob, parang different iba kasi tagal na siya. So, syempre doon na siya sa mga big stars.
So, di kasama ko yung mga boys.
Oo, kasama niya mga boys. But nung sa after party na, parang nagkakasamahan lang talaga. And then yung mga, mga RM namin, yung mga PBB din na staff before. Kasi parang pinipicturean kami inside and then kami na nagsama. So paglabas namin, sinuot niya yung parang wings. Yung parang, may candy cane kasi ako nung naka-attach sa damit ko. Siya yung bitbit.
Lasing kasi na ako. So,
Hindi
parang-
naman.
Gentleman
Sinuot
ka
ko na lang.
lang. Oo,
Tapos,
gentleman.
ang dami palang tao. So, ayun.
Nakita nila.
Yes, may
So,
nag-upload.
Basically, nag-start yung R-Jazz dahil nakita nilang bagay kayo. Ganun ba? Yun yung nakikita ko. Yung parang nakakita lang sila ng pictures.
Feeling ko Ate Aya, the way he looks at her kasi.
Wow!
Ayaw na
I
lang.
can see it.
Ayaw na nila sabihin eh. Kumbaga, tignan nyo na lang daw.
Grabe naman. Okay. So, wala pa kayong project together?
Wala. Then, may ginawa kaming
Music
music
video.
video.
So yun yung first R-Jazz project.
Yeah, hindi pa lumabas. Hindi din namin alam kailan.
Oo, wala.
Malalaman natin sa tagdag panahon. Kayo.
Alam na ba ng public kung anong song yun? Sino
Yeah,
artist?
pero in-announce ng director nung nag-direct sa amin. It's Ayoko Na by Zion Aguirre.
Oh, so,
Pinost ako ng director, so pwede na.
Oo.
Siya yung
yes.
unang nag-post, so
Public na.
public.
So kung given a choice, ano yung gusto nyo sanang gawin pa in the future together as R-Jazz?
Lahat na. Movie, sorry.
Grabe, nakakakaba yun ha.
Bakit parang ayaw ni RJ?
Ayaw ko.
ako eh. Nagpawisan ako. Joke lang. Kahit ano naman.
Yeah, so movie, kahit when we were talking, na parang kahit hindi naman kami yung lead, to be part of something na we can work together. Kahit before pa kami nga nagsama ng Sir Magical Bug, parang na-open na niya, uy, baka someday let's work together. Parang talagang kami yung may sabi, ay, mga boss, ganyan pa. Pero one of our wishes before pa yung Arjas thing na we can work together in one project. So, anything, rom-com, wag lang horror. Yun talaga ayaw ko.
Okay.
Takutin kasi ako. Though genuine, pero takutin,
I think yun nga yung mas maganda kasi totoo talaga yung sigaw mo.
Pero sino ba naman ako para mag-no? So, like, offer, why not?
Mahilig ka ba sa horror, Arjen?
Oo.
Patay ka.
Kaya niya yan.
Akala ko ba lahat na?
Oo,
Bakit may
kaya niya yan.
exemption sa
Oh, sige na lahat na po kahit horror. Bukas kasi hapon na umuulan pa eh. Bukas.
Ito na lang, kung yayain ka sa horror movie date ni Arjen, papayag ka ba o mag-no ka?
Dapat pumayag siya.
Wow!
Okay. Tara, di, alis na tayo.
Order mo lang kape ah.
I feel like sumasabog na yung comment section natin ngayon sa mga Arjaz ganap. Pero ito sabi ni Jaisel, hindi na ako makafocus sa work ko dito, Arjaz! Mag-sorry kayo guys, hindi siya makafocus.
Importante yan. Importante yung work.
Work.
Oo.
Work is
Yun
life.
muna.
Ito naman sabi ni Ermino Riza, pogi niya po talaga, TDH po si Bossing.
Wow, TDH.
Baka lumobo na yung ulo ko dito ha.
Anong meaning mo ng TDH? May meaning ka, di ba?
Ah, tandang hindi halata. Tandang di halata.
Yung pala yung TDH.
Yung TDH niya.
Hindi, pero tall, dark, and handsome po talaga si Arjun. Pag nakita niyo po in person. Kaya manood na po kayo ng Star Magic All-Star Team sa July 20.
True.
Ganon. Yes, okay. Punta tayo sa ating next question. Okay?
Yes, of course. I'm really young, fairly young, 21. So, for pageant age, it's still really young po. So, of course, I would. Pero, I remember I joined pageants during the pandemic. So, parang, now that I'm back in the showbiz industry, I'd like to focus muna on what I have now po. Lalo na when we have love at first sight laughs. So, syempre, I want to focus muna and, of course, create good relationships within this industry before coming back again. This is a really big process, alam po natin yan. I really want to represent the Philippines, pero pag buo na, pag kaya ko, pag laban na laban po. And I know I can't do that yet, so maybe next year. Maybe
She
next
will.
year.
She will.
Tsaka last time, di ba, second runner-up na ba?
Yes.
Oo, so, ang dali, konti na lang. Tsaka di ba marami beauty queens na gano'n? Yung hindi naman talaga first try, pack agad.
Opo. Kasi I remember I was 19 that time, so it was big for me at 19 years old. Pero for those watching, hindi siya imposible gawin.
Yes.
Even though may mga kasabay ka mga lawyers and doctors and those who are already experienced in life and much more wiser, hindi po talaga, it's not all about that, of course. So, ayun, try po. Not only me, I hope there's lots of girls out there na mas may courage na po sumali kasi it's not all about that. It's really much more within your purpose. Ayun po.
Thank you so much, Rain. Okay, ngayon naman, local artists na mga kasama.
Ako po si Miss Jodie Santa Maria. She's the sole reason why I wanted to be an artista po when I was watching her when I was a kid. Tsaka po, I love her acting range. Super, hands down, respect po talaga. Kasi she's done roles of horror lately. She's done a horror film. And I remember she said that she had a hard time moving on. Kasi you would know if you're an actor na it'll be hard for you to move on to the character. Kasi doon mo nalaman na you really were that person. And I love that about her. Kasi when we're an actor, an actress, talagang kailangan maramdaman mo para totoo. And I love that about her. I hope I can meet her one day. I did meet her na pala, but I hope I could work with her. Because I remember the first time I met her, I was like, thank you po. Like, you're the reason why I want to be an artista. Ganun po. And yeah, I hope I can. One day.
Alright. Jodie for Rain. Dylan.
Ako naman po si Kuya DJ, Daniel Padilla. Siya po talaga din yung idol ko. Kung si Rain, si Miss Jodie yung reason niya, ako si DJ talaga. Si Kuya DJ. Gumagawa pa akong edit sa TikTok dati. Alam yung nakalagay doon na, show you and your dream job. Mga ganun. Tapos nilalabas ko yung mga posters ng movies niya, teleserye niya. Then, Katniel. So,
Hanapin niya ng mga fans mo mamaya. Yung ginawa
may kita nila, mga 2021 na tayo. Oo, 2021.
Anong role ni DJ yung pinakatumatak sa'yo? Ano yung gusto mo sa kanya?
Yung movie nila, yung The House of Us. Yung...
Bigat!
Yung scene nila doon na, yung... Proud ka na ba? Di ba? Parang kayo ako ngayon.
Sige nga, lights, camera,
Ako
action.
ako!
Isa pa.
Eh? Nahiya na ako.
So, ganun mga roles ang gusto mo?
Oo, mga ganun.
Oo, hindi yung, kasi may DJ na nagpapakilig, di ba? Pero yung House of Us, ibang DJ din.
Malalim.
Oo, malalim. Ganun yung mga gusto
Ganun
mo.
po yung gusto ko.
Oo. Okay, so may Judy tayo, may Daniel Padilla tayo, Argel.
Ako si Kuya Gerald. Hindi, kasi lagi ko siya nakaka-basketball, so curious ako kung paano naman sa work. Ayun. Sana.
Ah, may message ka ba kay Gerald Andrews? Ngayon sinabi mo yan, na idol mo pala siya.
Baka idol ko yan eh. So baka tulog siya ngayon, pahinga ka na.
Ang cute naman. Okay, ikaw, Jazz.
For me, may dalawa ako, Miss Angel Aquino and Miss Isa Calzado. Grabe talaga yung range of acting, the emotions, ng matang-natahan lang. Parang while you're watching, you feel every emotion that pinapakita nila. So, someday, I already met Miss Isa Calzado twice or thrice. So that would be a privilege to work with her. But Miss Angel Aquino, not yet. So hopefully, kita muna and then soon. Yeah.
Well, maliit naman ang industriya, no? Mataas yung chance na mamimit nyo rin ang inyong idols. Ito sabi ni Yera Bastina.
Puro lakas ng loob lang ang meron ko talaga. Pero at least, I learned so much. I'd say I really did mature in that sense po talaga. Iba yung discipline ko sa body ko and sa mind ko when I was at that age. Kasi imagine when you're doing a national pageant but you're still finishing high school. So that was really
Oh my gosh, high
great
school
to
pa.
Yes. I wouldn't recommend, of course, pero iba rin kapag may gusto kang gawin sa buhay. So I hope that you guys can take that as an inspiration na you can still do it while studying. Because I'm still studying pa rin ngayon.
Oo nga, ano yung inaaral mo?
I'm studying broadcasting, communication and broadcasting.
Ah, where?
In LPU, Cavite. But yeah.
Malayo.
Okay, malayo.
Lyceum of the Philippines University.
Yes.
Right, okay. So, pero ano, yung course mo, talagang andito na. Ito na yun.
Yes.
You're doing it na talaga.
Oo, gusto ko po talaga siya gawin.
My course is also broadcast communication.
Yes.
Kaya pala siya
So I appreciate your voiceover kasi it's nice ate. I couldn't even recognize your
Kaya
speaking
napansin
voice.
mo, kasi broad ka rin.
Yes.
There you go. Dylan, sa UE, ano yung course mo?
Marketing po.
Marketing. So, may, ano ba plano mo dapat after? Kasi same din tayo handler.
Same tayo handler.
Oo. Okay, ano para sa'yo?
Birthday ko.
Oo, birthday mo pala.
In 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday
to you.
Thank you po.
Happy birthday to
Happy working birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, ate, I'll be your host for today. Would you like to say? Would you like to give a message or anything for your birthday?
Okay na, may mic din ako.
Yes.
No, thank you po sa aking Star Magic family. Baka nangyari na to last year. Grabe. Let na dalayan kanina. Thank you, Ate Tess. Thank you, Ate Edith. Thank you to my Star Magic family. Maraming salamat po. My birthday wish. Sana mo sold out ang Star Magic All-Star Games.
Yes.
More projects for everyone. And syempre, healthy sana tayong matapos ang 2025. Yes, healthy tayo and ang ating loved ones. Thank you, guys.
Happy birthday!
Thank you! Thank you po!
Okay. Yun na. Kinabahan kasi ako sa...
May kainan ba?
Ito na yun.
Here po muna. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look here po. 1, 2, 3. Okay po, yung 4 naman po. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Sorry guys, solo-solo lang.
Beauty Queen.
Basta raw niya.
Ayan.
Here. 1, 2, right here. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, last one. You're right.
Mega ka pamilya.
Okay. Jess.
Ay,
Kuya,
sorry.
Kuya Rix, dyan ba ako? Kuya Rix. Dyan ako sa tabi.
Kami dalawa?
Sorry. Dito na lang. Dito na lang ako. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. Sabay-sabay na sila your... Right po. Dapat si Ate Tess din Dapat may solo
Thank you.
Arjek. Here po, center muna. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Left po. Then right naman. Right po. But may special kay Art. Dylan! Ay, pataas ang konti. Okay.
Bawal po. Center po.
One more. Grabe ka naman, Jazz. Like to your left side. Okay, to your right naman po. Game po tayo interview.
Pag group naman selfie lang. Group selfie.
Gusto mo ko ng...
Yung isa dito. Ang hindi abot eh.
Sa ilaw.
Yan. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Si Ate Ai,
Alright, very quick interview lang for TV Patrol. Ready tayo, Kuya? Kuya, nandiyan yung... Alright. Guys, first of all, congratulations. Ang ganda ng Star Magic Spotlight. But let's talk about the upcoming Star Magic Games on July 20. Gaano kayo ka-excited? I have questions that will be repeated lang since kanina. So, gaano ka-excited for yung Star Magic Games this time?
Ako po sobrang excited dahil first time magkaroon ng boys volleyball or men's volleyball. And part pa ako nun dahil nga, na-share ko nga kanina na dati pinapangarap ko lang makapanood pero ngayon maglalaro na ako. And volleyball pa kaya excited ako. Super excited.
How about you, Rain?
I'm super happy kasi we're gonna show more versatility in our artists. We're not only actors and actresses, but of course, they can play sports really well, sportsmanship, and of course, yung professionalism po talaga namin and discipline and training for this for 2 months, honestly. And it's gonna be serious play. It's not just gonna be on the camera, pero talagang physical na po ito. So I'm really excited.
How about you, Jazz? First timer, right?
Yeah, it's my first time and like honestly, I didn't expect na maglalaro ako this year. I was just expecting na, okay, manonood ako because of course support natin yung All-Star Games. So manonood ako. But nung naging part ako, sabi ko, okay, I'm just gonna show up. I'm just gonna do my best and just enjoy the entire ride. So far I'm enjoying. I'm learning a lot from Sesar Team Captain Rain. Who's so good and everyone else. So yeah, I just can't wait to see everyone also.
Alright, and how about you, Arzel? I mean, every year na lang, no? Parang may balyahan.
Parang ritual na niya.
Parang may balyahan sa mga, sa basketball games. So,
Ganun talaga siguro pagka basketball tsaka yung ego ng lalaki. Kaya doon na nagkakatalo lahat. Pero sports pa rin. Pagkatapos, bati-bati na lang.
pero gano'n ka-excited to see the fans?
Ngayon kasi first time namin makakalaban sila Kong. So pinaghahandaan din namin sila. Yung mga tao syempre para ma-entertain sila.
Alright, may question ako kayo. Wala naman. Diretso na ako sa kay Rain and also kay Dylan. Love at first spike. This is your first, no? First lead role. So what are your thoughts about that?
Of course, it's a really big blessing. Happy Pride Month, everybody. We're super excited to represent the LGBTQIA+ community. They're part of the mainstream, that they could be storytellers as well. And I'm super, super happy that we're doing this alongside with Emilio and Sean. They're not here today, but I will represent them. Ayun po, Love at First Spike already released the first episode. It's every Friday, 8 p.m. So it's
And also Dylan, I know you're portraying an LGBT role. I know this was answered already, but can you just give us more about your role dito and gaano ka-challenging ito para sa'yo?
Super challenging po siya. Lalo na hindi out of words na kung paano siya i-explain dahil nga I've gone through research or nag-immerse pa ako sa iba't ibang tao, nagtanong ako sa mga tao na part ng community, and of course, we studied with Direct Ivan. And ayun, sana nag-translate na lang siya sa set sa screen.
This is not your first project.
No.
Pang ilang project mo na to?
I think it's the third time, pero ito yung big acting project ko.
I want to ask you because every time may mga gumagawa ng mga LGBT role, they kind of like stick there. Medyo doon na sila napupunta lagi and nakukuha nila yung mga roles pa na susunod din pa din. So, aren't you scared of, having that role over and over again? Or hindi
Kung
naman?
scared, di naman po ako scared. Medyo siya parang I will take it as a compliment. Siguro, kung mapaulit-ulit sana i-offer yung ganong role. Dahil feeling ko nagampanan ko siya ng maganda pagka ganun. Effective siya. But ayun, kahit ano naman po. Basta alam nila na kaya ko and alam ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko ng gampanan ng maganda. Hindi lang yung kaya, yung maganda.
Alright, one last, Rain, can we talk about Love at First Sight? Tungkol saan to?
This is about the LGBTQIA+ community. We're all allies here, but at a certain level, all of us are going to be growing at the end of the series. You'll see that with Uno's journey, it'll be centered on his story and how he's anti-ally to an ally po talaga. So I hope that you guys could watch this. It's not only a coming-of-age series, a rom-com, pero may drama po ito, and I love that kasi it's breaking the stereotypes of how we are already showed in ABS. So I hope that other people can open to this.
Alright, Fridays at 8 p.m. Alright, thank you so much. Congratulations
Thank you po.
again.
Thank you.
Ay, sige, mamaya. Ganda. Ganda. Orange. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Kung nag-gym ako, sa food naman, he's not that strict towards me. Na parang sabi niya, kain lang.
Rain, dito sa reels lang. Aura ka lang, aura.
So may mga ganun, if I have the time.
Ay, isa pa, para
Siguro,
sa slow-mo.
Yung
Mega
friends
Kapamilya.
natin, it's more than just a physical fitness. More on emotional
1,
and
2,
mental.
3.
Fitness
Slow-mo
also
to ba?
yung goal namin.
1, 2, wait
Yeah,
lang.
as individual.
One, last one, last
So
one.
parang yun talaga yung
1, 2, 3.
friendship namin.
Volleyball.
Thank you to. Salamat.
Ito, i-release ko. Nakakaya ka ba? 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Slow-mo naman daw. Slow-mo nila. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Sa music.
Dalawa or?
Dito
No,
lang. Dyan lang.
siguro
1,
pagdating
2,
sa music, doon na lang tayo sa sayaw. So, yun, ay lang sa ASAP. They want me to host.
Pastingin
So,
lang
yun
dito.
yung naging feel good ng focus na hinahasa yung pagiging host. Because it's definitely